DJ Mangalha Júnior, DJ Mangalha Júnior, DJ Mangalha Júnior, DJ.
What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said we were to gain? What about killing fears? Is there a time? What about all the things that you said was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the blood we've shed before? Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth, this weeping shore? We've done. What about all the peace that you pledged your only son? What about flowering fields? Is there a time? What about all the dreams that you said was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the children dead from war? Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth, this weeping shore? confuse me. Just saying that's okay. Hey baby, do as you please. I have the stuff that you want. I am the thing that you need. She looked me deep in the eyes. She touching me so to start. She says there's no turning back. She got me yelling. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, let me be. She likes the boys in the band. She knows when they come to town. Every musician's fan after the curtain comes down. She waits at backstage doors for those who have prestige, who promise fortune and fame, a life that's so carefree. She's saying that's okay. Hey baby, do what you want. I'll be your not loving thing. I'll be the freak you can talk. I don't care what you say. I wanna go too far. I'll be your everything if you make me your star. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana. Another day is gone. I'm still all alone. How could this be? You're not here with me. You never said goodbye. Someone tell me why did you have to go and leave my world so cold? Every day I sit and ask myself, how did I slip away? Something whispers in my ear and says that you are not alone. I am here with you, though you're far away. I am here to stay, but you're not alone. I am here with you, though we're far apart. You're always in my heart, but you're not alone. Lord, why, Lord?
Think if they can make it a better place.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. There are dreams existing and start living, then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. Make a better world, make a better world. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for living, make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we were conceived in will reveal a joyful face. And the world we once believed in will shine again in grace. Then why do we keep strangling me when this earth crucify its soul? Though it's plain to see this world is heading me. Make us fly, we could fly so high, let our spirits never die. In my heart, I feel you are all my brothers. Hold me like the river Jordan, and I will then say to thee, you are my friend. Carry me like you are my brother. Love me like a mother. Will you be there? You scold me, when lost will you find me? But they told me a man should be faithful and walk when not able and fight till the end, but I'm only human. came and you changed me, girl. A feeling so true lovers in a scene. Then she says, do you love me? And he says so endlessly, I love you, Liberian girl.
Than any pearl, your love so complete, Liberian girl. You kiss me, then ooh, the world. You do this to me, Liberian girl. You know that you came and you changed my world, just like in the movies. With two lovers in a scene, and she says, do you love me? And he says so honestly, Liberian.
She got on flat top, she's come moving up slowly. She's got two eyeballs, she's one holy roller. She's got hair down to his knees. Got to be a joker, she just do what it please. Check. She wear no shoes on, she's got toes and football. She's got monkey finger, she shoot gold like she say, I know you, you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me.
Looking out across the night, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do it that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do it that way? Reaching out, touch never be the same. 'Cause girl, you came and changed the way I walk, the way I talk. I cannot explain the things I feel for you. But girl, you know it's true. Stay with me, fulfill my dreams, and I'll be all you need. Feels so right, girl. Such the bird. Knew that love would bring this happiness to me. I tried to keep my sanity. I waited patiently. Girl, you know it seems life is so complete. I love this truth because of you. You're doing what you do.
It's a friend of mine.
have mercy on me. And she promised me forever that we'd live our life as one. We made a vow to live a love so true. It seems that she has left me for such reasons unexplained. I need to find the truth, but see, what will I do? And it doesn't seem to matter, and it doesn't seem right, 'cause the will is gone, no function, still I cry alone at night. Don't you judge ever my composure, 'cause I'm bothered every day. And she didn't leave a letter, she just upped and ran away. Who is it? It is a friend of mine. Who is it? Is it my brother? Who is it? Somebody had my soul now. Who is it? I can't take it 'cause I'm lonely. Tired of injustice, tired of the scheme, lies of disgusting. So what does it mean, Daddy? Kicking me down. I got to get up. Check that the sound. The hostess and such, Daddy.
Big in the shadows, big in the light. You tell me I'm wrong, then you better prove you're right. You're selling out souls, 'cause I care about mine. I've got to get stronger, and I won't give up the fight.
With such confusion, don't it make you wanna scream?
Make you wanna scream.
You're mass abusing, victimized in a scheme.
You're trying to go with every line is scrutinized.
Somebody please have mercy, 'cause I just can't take it. Stop pressuring me. Just stop pressuring me. Just stop pressuring me. Make me want to scream. Stop pressuring me. Just stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. You just stop. Tired of your dealing, story your ways. It's all the confusion. I think it's okay, Daddy.
You're changing the rules, keep playing the game. Continue much longer, I think I might go insane.
With such confusion, don't it make you wanna scream?
Make you wanna scream.
You're back abusing, victimized in the scheme.
You find your pleasure scandalizing every lie.
Oh, Father, please have mercy, 'cause I just can't take it. Stop pressuring me. Just stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Make me want to scream. Stop pressuring me. Just stop pressuring me. No, but you wanna try? Every time you see it. Do you remember when we fell in love? We were young and innocent then. Do you remember how it all began? It just seemed like heaven, so I did it. Do you remember back and forth? Then we did again for all day long. Do you remember us holding hands? Remember each other's eyes we stared. Do you remember the time when we fell in love? Do you remember the time when we first met, girl? Oh, diseases. There's no cure. You got many doctors, but orange juice yours. So tell me why you wanna trip on me. Why you wanna trip on me? Stop. Just a lover who told me by. Is it worth the giving? Is it worth the try? You cannot clean it, put it in the furnace. Cannot wet it, you cannot burn it. She wants to get, she wants to get it all. She wants to get me. She wants to get it all. She wants to get, she wants to get, she wants to get, yeah, all. She wants to get it. She wants to get it all. She wants to get it. It's just a feeling. You got to soothe it. You can neglect it. You can't abuse it. It's just desire. You cannot waste it. Then if you want it, then won't you taste it? She wants to get it. She wants to get it all. She wants to get it. She wants to get it all. She wants to get it. She wants to get it. Yeah, all she wants to get it. She wants to get it all. She wants to get it.
One thing in life you must understand: the truth of lust, woman to man. So open the door and you will see. There are no secrets. Make your move. Set me free.
Something about you, baby, that makes me want to give it to you. Something about you, baby. Just promise me whatever we say, whatever we do to each other. For now, we make a vow to just keep it in the closet. If you can get it, is it worth the try? I really want it. I can't deny. It's just desire. I really love it.
'Cause if it's aching, you have to rub it.
She wants to get it. She wants to get it all. She wants to get it. She wants to get it all. She wants to get it. She wants to get it all. She wants to get it. She wants to get it all. She wants to get it.
Just open the door and you will see. This passion burns inside of me. Don't say to me, you never tell. Touch me there, make the move, cast the spell.
Something about you, baby, that makes me want to give it to you. I said there's something about you, baby. Just promise me whatever we say or do to each other. Whatever we do, just keep it in the closet. Your word is mine, okay, you're right. Just show your face, broad daylight. I'm telling you on how I feel. Gonna catch your mind, don't you dare jump on, get on me, alright. I'm getting you on count of three. Just show your stuff or let it be. I'm telling you, just watch your mouth. I know you came, but you're
say nothing. Just a way to argue because I'm bad. I'm bad. You know it. You know I'm bad. I'm bad. You know it. You know I'm bad. I'm bad. You know it. You know. And the whole world has to answer right now just to tell you once again who's bad. My baby on a Saturday day. When it's back girl with you, you swear what it's saying. Now I believe in miracles, and a miracle is happening tonight. But if you're thinking about my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white. Read my message in the side of the sun. I had it down, I ain't standing for none. And I told her about equality, and it's you either you're wrong or you're right. But if you're thinking about my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white. Don't you dare.
Protection for gangs, clubs, and nations, causing grief in human relations. It's a turf war on a global scale. I'd rather hear both sides of the tale. See, it's not about races, just places, faces. Where your blood comes from is where your space is. I seen the bright get duller. I'm not gonna spend my life being a color.
Tell me you agree with me when I saw you kicking dirt in my eye. If you're thinking about my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white. I said, if you're thinking about my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white. Nation to nation, all the world must come together. Face the problems that we see and make somehow we can work it. I asked my neighbor for a favor. She said later what has come of all the people have we lost love, but what it's about. I had to find my peace 'cause no one seems to let me be. For prophets try of doing other possibilities. I told my brother there'll be problem times and tears for this. We must live each day like it's the day. Go with it, go with it, jam. It ain't too much, it ain't too much, it ain't too. I'm back for me to jam. It ain't too much, it ain't too. It ain't too. I'm back for me. The world keeps changing, rearranging minds and thoughts, predictions. Fly up to the baby boomers, come on, they do working. I told my brothers, don't you ask me for no favors. I'm conditioned by the system. Don't you talk to me, so scream and shout. She prays to God to boost up, then she sings a Talmud song. Confusions contradict herself. Do we know right from wrong? I just want you to recognize me in the temple. You can't hurt me. I found peace within my heart. Go with it, jam. It ain't too much, it ain't too much, it ain't too. I'm back for me to jam. It ain't too much, it ain't too. It ain't
Just
Sun show them that you're really not scared. You're playing with your life, this ain't no truth or dare. They'll kick you, then they beat you, they'll tell you it's fair. So beat it, but you wanna be there, just beat it, beat it. No one wants to beat it. Show it how to fucking strong is your fighter. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right, just beat it, beat it. No one wants to beat it. Show it how to fucking strong is your fighter. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right, just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it.
Mangalha Júnior, Mangalha Júnior, Mangalha Júnior, Mangalha Júnior.